Okay, this next idea is using wide voicing of triads and chords. That is not always third, fifth, but sometimes I'm using a lot of tenths for fifth, and I'm going to try to incorporate a little melody into it. So the top note will keep changing on the chords, and I will be using some passing, things like that. So why don't I play it first? To start off with, the chord progression is, again, very easy, very stock. It's G to D to E minor, and trying to make a little melody over it. To make that, I'm going to try to fill every 16th with note that's in the chord. So we'll start with the G. Pretty straight ahead. Bottom two notes stay the same, just the top note. Now we're going to go to D. A little bit different fingering. I would normally use my fourth finger on the second note, but because we're going to change it for a melody note, I'm going to use my third and stretch. So F sharp. Bottom notes stay the same, just the top note. Down to E minor. Bottom notes stay the same. Now C, we're going to have passing note of a F sharp over the C, which is it's a dissonant note, but it's resolved. And at G at the end, I'm going to try to have the top note be a D. So it sounds like the end of the melody. If you look at the construction of this particular riff, the bottom two notes that stay the same are on the fifth and fourth string all the way through it, but the melody notes go from the third to the second, and some, in one case, on the first string. So you've got a big skip between the D string and the first string, a moderate skip from the D string to the second string, and a normal skip from the third string to the fourth string. So it's really good exercise because it forces you to do some unusual skips that will help your picking, and by simply, it motivates you to do it because the melody kind of requires that if you're going to stay in this position and keep the bottom notes the same. So it's good practice for string skipping and for kind of teaching your right hand that it doesn't matter what the interval is. It's the melody that it's got to aim for. Here's the top note is on the third string. Here's another approach to spacing out triads with wide voicing. starting on a G major, or actually starting on the third of a G major. Is a G major. Third on the bottom. And same thing again, but in A. Starting on the third. Another variation would be to go up and then down the chords. The difference, a different way to play it, the exact same notes as we did earlier, but just going up. The next chord, start the top note. Same notes as the first example, but we're going up on the first chord and going to the top note of the second chord.